nice. I never get out of the pond. Except when I gotta go meet with the council. Ooh.
The who?
The council? All-seeing and all-powerful? Mabel, do you not know about the... Oh, there it is! Oh, you hear that?
No?
Wow, really? Try getting a little closer.
Yeah, still nothing.
I know! It's bad, right?
No! There's no noise at all!
I can't really hear you. Anyway, you can see why everyone left.
Because of a noise that only animals can hear.
Oh, man, it's even worse here. Ugh, my teeth hurt.
Tell me where it's loudest! What? Jerry! Oh, no! No, 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 no,
Mabel,
no!
wait! You'll hurt your little ears. Hearing loss is forever.
Ugh, it's the tree! The tree is loud!
Did she say the bee is proud?
She sees a cloud?
Ugh.
What?